Welcome to the Bushfire Benefit Dinner, an event to raise money for both our volunteer Rua fire service and also wildlife protection. I think tonight, Sammy, is a wonderful example of what can happen when good people come together, when people stand up, put their hand out and reach out to those in need.
May seem tonight's about food and booze, but really it's about gratitude, it's about empathy, it's about mindfulness, it's about celebration, celebrating our fires, it's about collaboration, and it's about community.
C24, congratulations! We are sold at $3,300. Sir, congratulations, you are our winner at $8,500. That is magnificent.
The thing about it is that we're all in it together, and what I say about our community is that we look after our community. You're a part of our community. You're a part of Brisbane, you're a part of Queensland, and Queensland is represented down south as well.
Sold, ladies and gentlemen, $2,900.
Can I say thank you on behalf of all the volunteers? Thank you.